Alright everybody, it's James Bay439 here, and we're back for another Federal Signal 2001 tornado siren test. The first one of 2021. Today is March 6th. Siren tests were not conducted for the past 3 months because of winter weather, but it is now March, so siren tests will now resume. So we're gonna wait for it to go off, yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I will cut the video now, and when it goes off, you guys will get to see it. Alright everybody, with that being said, that is going to conclude the first tornado siren test of 2021. Today is March 6th, and siren test first Saturday of the month at 1 p.m. So stay tuned for next month's edition. Thanks for watching. CLS, that means comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next tornado siren video. Goodbye.